Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account does not meet the following requirements in order to play Valorant. So all you need to do is open the search in your Windows and you want to search for virus and threat protection. Now right here you want to go and click on virus and threat protection settings. Scroll all the way down until you see exclusions and then you click on add or remove exclusion. And then you're gonna press on add an exclusion and then choose file and then search for Valorant and then choose it and press on add. And we need to do one more thing, and that's gonna be disabling the firewall temporarily. So what you need to do is type in your computer search for firewall and then open it and then choose Windows Defender Firewall. After choose on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and then press on turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both places, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.